Pero me achiel. Pero matika yelu ke kwara chuli. Pero me achiel. Ene ye lok me chwak ot kon. Lok me chwak ot kon. O weka chuli be gake pero matwala. Kade kaki ngayon ni gin maraj ti di kal. Umirke yuego. Chwak ot kon pe ye. Abe kwano pero ki pero matie di gona pa chuli ikip pa kal kwaro. Jimmy mau diu ke kwaro. Surrounding pa chana ti maraj muro pero number 1. Dano magu surrounding a chana. Jomma pe genne pe watweru gennogi. Li enoni wego wan wabiru kitamni rora chana en kikome pe dong bigenne. Pien surrounding pa chana upong ki joma reju keken. Amira wat kama len an ikare na medela. Umira pot impact. Positive impact. Ikare na medela na in la tela money. Kichimi itie chief justice me Uganda. Ili lo court umiri wek impact. Positive impact. Udong ikare ni wek diri maja kilo kipo kwerni ikare pa windoro achulu no justice makuman achulu no kony makuman ikare pa windoro achulu berkikin makuman impact bekwan keken umet kwan wuki impact ma wunu bori lobo wek diri maja lutin wu kipogi with the type of impact ma ini bori lobo creating a community ni. Ini law justice, it is minister me justice and constitutional affairs me Uganda. What justice have you given to the Acholi people in terms of Choludie pa Acholi war death claimant? What justice have you given to Acholi? In terms of neno lokumwamwa ma kitika lanyo ne, kitika mano ne, kitika yako ne. What justice are you giving actually? Leave an impact. We diri majaka ipere office dano wajani ikare pa nobat mau one no justice makuman kichulu die pa actually ikare pa mau. Kiriemo dano magatika mayo ngompa chuli ikare pa mau. Unyuki jogo dano magabionuka ka gage ngompa chuli ikare pa mau. Mau providing justice mano wa meru kibore. Ikare pa boss migutim ma boss migutim tie tela. One nero jemi makuman o team left an impact makuman o creating impact mo kuman ikuopa kaha ikuopa community mo timu beriye. Li eroni egin mapira ten. Ikar barwara chana one wadong achana creating impact no actually apart from achana being surrounded by thugs, by schemers. Amira wuchi uloga chen kape ana wuchi yindong baby winyi bon normal. Rorachana is being misled, totally misled by Ulanya Denge. General. If I don't bring it out, who else will bring it out? Whatever day and night. Ulanya Lenge has got a very, very dirty interest. By the time Madong Rorachana Pony, Ulanya Lenge played him and Ulanya Lenge played K Kwarachuli, it will be too late for Achana. Too late even to apologize to Achuli. Pian Ulanya Lenge Tony take a misleading Achana in a way mama peti you. Ulanya is scheming something. Joma dega ukwe, joma ye loka wanero area li eni. Ke kwara chuli mono, wamira ni ubiri interest panga. Ke kwara chuli umirubiri interest pa Achana, keje interest pa chuli. Ke kwara chuli mono umirubiri interest pa pire, keje interest pa chuli. Ke kwara chuli mono umiru leadership ubiri interest pa Ulanya Lenge Tony ke jomo surrounding Achana keje ke kwara chuli mirubiri interest pa chuli. It doesn't matter ni roti ake kwene koni ake payera koni ake atiak. It doesn't matter. What matters ena ye constitution make kwara chuli karte kwere matwer konya chuli ikid me fu ikid me gwangom ikid me nyom ikid me kwan and so forth ikid me food security ikid me nyano lo nyaching dano nyano lo nyakibi kuri bot gamente ken ma pat ki pagamente meg watu kwene kompe wa chak wan machalo wan ki komoni atek ke luak ke ganga bena tie atek ke luak eto ke ganga bena tie le man me road ki odani o chero chi balo politics me achulio normal no chero PN ki family ne PN o we for good in my country do for good in their stomachs normal don't tipi one peke giti gain P1 is not there anymore. Amira Wechi Olanya Lenge Tony is the same person. Team Maulanya Lenge Team come and catch people power. Pian Ana ya kill people power in northern Uganda. And Ana ya inviting Bobby Wine in northern Uganda. Ana ya recruiting. I think Jimmy Maubi team and Komachana is not going to be far from Jimmy Motim and Kom team. Team do actually yera. Oh, Marchente, or Gamatian, Kibor Gamente, or where people power, or where I wait you, not Martino, where one of pay people power, Birulanya Lenge Tony. Ulanya Lenge General Tony. The winning to Kono Minister, me mineral. Kono Minister, me minerals there. Ikequara, Uchaheni more. Ulanya is a schemer. Don't be surprised, Ajana, very soon. Ni Ulanya, Obichoy project, Mapul. Investors who rare billions of when chi Ulanya, Iponi Ulanya reyo ti we lo mawo. No reyo ki tiene 1 billions of shillings. Angeyo bidoko kota. Ulanya is scheming something. Ulanya tika targeting something. He has a target. It's not for us. Rorachana at your level. Experience many ticket there. You read the office in the karma like Ulanya Lenge Tony cannot be minister for minerals. Ike kwa rachuli. Kwalewa porlalo obi kwalewa what Olanya did to us jomo be people power ngayo ana ya recruiting Olanya ki Gulu University mago biro borai for you restaurant. I don't want it to repeat ikom rorachana achana bi dong manem chalo la men ko no Olanya lenge ena yo nyena chana do Olanya ka nyena chana tiendo ke no nyena ke kwara chuli wen he is misleading achana because of his selfish interest. Olanya Lenge Tony taking it. Olanya Lenge taking it. Darum Kwano Riek taking it. Very intelligent, very brilliant. But Olanya, most time he has been a crook. Pebiro Bodano Kada, unless Olanya Nayuni Ginomo or be Kartiki Berningiri, Lanya Peberquidi. But cow targeting on my bear mountain and give money take a bino molino. Udanya be very quiru, will be waiting all the sweet words until the Olanya or Quanya Jimma and Merking Pole Tiente. The Canero Lanya Tinu Tiente cooking don't win him. Do be dog la money, Bero Bichago and your darm in Niku. Anna take a record. I think what you do on Lanyama recording. Mount Lanya take a bitter, work it in there. Take a bitter. I have everything. Maulanya bira ni left on that money when you go karma no ngia bira me anega kitung chelete aringo tema. So Rorachana, you are being misled by Tono Lanya Lenge. Aya surrounding par Rorachana kong inde nen watieki dano matwero miyo tam ki Rorachana in terms of entertainment. Mani noni Rorachana kerukono okwera kon mangi dano makiluono okwera kon man me iwinyo nye bene le mono wani con man. Okwera con man. Tie advisor for Rorachana. With such a name, Okwera con man. Gitting Rachana. And Rachana bete be Petika Niang Nilutin, Ubino Kachiko, ene Ubo, ka ene moko top lutin reariaki. Get a reaki chene. Okwera con man, Mero Rubike Quarachuli. Con man. Dano Mokwala wa chene mechu latina. Chene. Chene mechu school fees pa Nicole Nyara. One ti peke Kenya ukwera gekantika kwalo tiene me school fees panyara mano kwera ni advising achana ono on kuo il groupe le coup. Rorachana, look make kwar should not be your interest. It should be our interest. And focus what we be generally. Many ke kwar actually uberuki reform. We need a very serious reform. Ike kwar actually. Instead of in Rio, Rorachana woman Rio Ubino Kampala. Rorachana Ubino Kampala or involving government. This is wrong. So wrong. Why do you have to involve government me backing in? When in Jimmy Pachuli, Murbichi, actually, the Carpachuli, government of being America, when you wadon, Kayaro, Tamwama bed, or Maluka can and a government of being protecting criminals. Iribiri Kampala, Rorachana, Anati Kampala. Munjo do why wa mercer court wa mercer kondo cher court pingo mer nyana chuli Rorachana kadong tieni government be back ya chuli turua chana chidong government o miro back ya chuli turua pere bene a pere be do reyo bino yan back en kibod government. Yes mun lo mana bi waju kari wa bodla didlo I will tell him ni dano ma giti ki loki kum gi ma chingi ke wayne chingu beru bojo kum jim pa chuli giti ka ringi bino ko buri ka yenyo backing jomo ken be do miro yen backing ki buri so yin ma jal government don kan bena pere back him kan bena chana back him anen ke backing Johnny Wen. Confusion will increase. Full chapter karni the office kama anatonyo ye warga pa chana ti ya chana ti ka yenyo backing ni lokmati kom ene die politically motivated. In my day about government you is not political. Kawa be tell chuli wa tell chuli la bon lumi dokwa. Ikar pa mau wa no guma ngo. Ikar pa winjolo wa no guma ngo. Man kumiri utika leo loko we winjolo. Ni winjolo ti apoka chuli. La wodo arana ngeni bi biyo ka doko issues not discussing personality. Uberka discussing romotika backbiting. Gossiping, kidding, or Windolo, near Windolo, Yetika Pokachuli, or Windolo has got all the rights, make guiding. He has to guide. Kani culture, Naka won't be new culture, or Windolo new culture, ye working. Kani culture, or Windolo Lumutiana pa. Ankara dark with it, a new Benny. Kakama Benny, young new, or Windolo Lumutiana pa, can you be in culture? A lot of you even don't know. Culture Birgano. O win can now guide. Me donkey rome, me kwaneni, ki office make me any. O win dolo is the best choice. Me better even patron pa lutiana chuli iyo mapol. Ma lutiana wamati universities mapari pari. Ukero win dolo machalo patron kwene. Nit mati kwere experiences metela. Kachel ki nit mete kwar. Kachel ki riako me lo wisdom mo winti kwere. Pendeka wa dako Windolo then we don't know him. Wangeyo his capability. Neno. So, o web try to blame. This is blame game. Ni Windolo tika poko wene. Wuna yo lu pokaha. Lo mane jone lo malo, jone lo pain, jone lo kwene. And wun rudi wa utika encouraging. O we look aki dogu ka don bino don tiaro kwene. Kone aki pa hira. Kone aki atiak. Kone aki pa la bec la mo. Kone aki kone. It doesn't matter. What matters any unity. Unity. Pachuli. But material unifying factor. A symbol of unity. In a unifying factor. And pe bin kan ka poko dan ho kono ngali kono. Never. Ye pa ruri matika binuni. Ye pa ruri matika bino ulanya ulenga tika gengo ne ulanya ulenga tika ulanya tika protecting his selfish interest ma empty kwere mawa achana pengeyo. By the time ulanya ulenga is done, by the time he gets done with achana and ke kwara actually, that is when the whole actually entirely go be young new team peming. Ulanya takes advantage of any situation. Ini boy ulanya share kishi. Ini no boy ulanya tutai koma not mount choyo warga ka wachero kelibot captain or board delay make choyo warga ni team right gamente wuna yo goyo team unong yu me chango team la cho war gani udanya lenge toni ma ene typing kuma ma ana buru pen kuma tiga typing maki ti ko chocho ko wengo woro wanki borri wa chero kwene ati mu titi gino la nyatimu ingela chem madong ulanya ne gamente mero kero anka kama be loyo eno ulanya chwale loko bot gino o chwale documents o gima ene yo choyo. You can imagine such an evil act, dark-hearted person. Gima ene ucho pira an wiya dong rete ken atamo ni umera dong tia kwanya. Ucho jimi ni wen utim mirke kwanya utim meru geno ko mar gamento mi ne no mar ben gamento yo wano tim go ko geno bore anati baroka wiya bare treatment beke. Gere yo ge dokkan ge office wen go donyo geno bore aria de gamento do ko kwanyo an kwero an position mala lenge ulanya tu riyo ki flash disk ma ene ucho jimi pira wen iye utuchera kene char bot people power. Ni jalo lokeo ene yo choyo klena ni tia konyo miene ni jalo lokeo social media we ulanyo karka yeta wo bot jome ulaya gamo chena gamo kulaya ni ti cerka chung pe uchung bolo dan uchugu thousands of pounds. Such a person cannot advise a chana. First of all, advising on what? Despite the fact that anything stay lime kuoni cannot guarantee you maybe ringara chana. So stop misleading ke kwa actually. Neno. Wa otu e point mo kenma wa be donga ke boxing ki lutia na muguma miro nyaro kaka. Mano wa ngeyo ni lu don wa be woro romge en lutia na wuri wa me danyo kaka wa be donga ke boxing chao kene. Wa be donga ke boxing chao kene. This is so bad. This is wrong. Neno. Politicians peu donyi lokum ke kwa rachuli utinya chako wajeneni utinya wani Rudi Mukene ki bagote ki gibe piele bon ini me Rudi di mati side kuja bora pere but they are so intelligent in terms of education ini nyon katiengi gado bini kid mete kwaro ini nyon katiengi ente kwaro ke ter bom kumero tika wundo tika yako dano tika misleading dano mirke wek wuno benkenyo actually o meda ki lok mayero Rudi bien wa miyo kare Rorachana for your information untamne anatiri to anatiri to dong mapatu wer lok dikala chuli nye Rorachana for your information wanya chwale court Rorachana for your information amira wuchi lokeni lutela ti ya churi kan gulingo ditik jemi tika time maraji dikala churi jemi mati wrong wachiti wrong achana for your information in ire cheri Congo ana logo gen mangeyo ikarma in ire cheri Congo ikarna i Congo no pay it free tien logo we in ire cheri Congo loke pol edida makai we ke mi kar ke daro discussing we yam wo dugulan so we da ket men in ire cheri Congo achana ire cheri Congo madong pe twero dugugan iluoro pe komi iluoro lo mo kele mati kempen du dira choli buta man ke ket in no road we ngato pe yel in this is a docket ma ini dugu through and kimini a docket ma ini dugu ma chalu road donc ine beti mo jima ko man ine beti instead of daro bion ka momen ko mema mako ine de biir ma chalu la wodi ine biir it was just something an idea made wako in paju safely just like kirla wo mayo team boss mi guduga team boss mi guduga la dilo bu kwanyo kero kamoni u kero pengo kero kamoni pien la dilo bu ngeyu lwen matika bin ko team kero team kuja me ario la dilo bu nena dampu team unero kito team berga fonyo gidano la dilo bu neno articles after articles ma anabira choine KDP o wayni such a brilliant young man peg to wer makoda maka ke kelki ti kwede woti yuka chen Rorachana ini dugu iyo mabe ni wek in peke mari du tela go biru peni the only way ma weka chana dong peke bi mako do ka chana peke bi tere nyim kot ki keto ma chalo ruot karunge ker machala we rudi don't know cases mo kene mati kumachana ne when will be erased itamina anakuya. So since kimini that opportunity, that chance, what in pay timo gin pay fulfilling needs spiritually. Donc kat in loka la office unity wana churi mo ken ben wa yene ka donge be lako ji mo ken kong donge lako pian ben wana ka yam actually ke kwara churi bir teach the bon constitution ngam ma warwenyu through office pa chana warwenyu dul ngam chente ma chana ke allegations ubiro ni achana ko chero signing chente o ka chen ki ruot pa madi ko chero signing e no nyura ni accountability petie kakare aloka kati ke we ko petie ki wet excuses mugo lok me chero ko bot gamente we ko poringe ni armen ruri wendoring bot gamente sai chani beno chat bot gamente for backing sai en beno chat bot gamente we wanen ka lok chung nero one majal lutele ma aki actually one yo mirwa white bot gamente ni gamente stay aside in the look medical. This is family affairs. Gamente stand aside until we rectify this. Chidong waluwe gamente bino come and back the rightful leader. Mado actually can recom. Mani look matie. Pero look mo misleading down la lenge gi merni interest o tum anga ge merni ngotim ena chano pupir me kuma tamane lutino be konyo lutino bina kwala chuli tino yak go be reo welo mawo nuku gamu ched bot investors billions of shillings gereo kala hotela tie ya chuli ke lari da tela chele matiga winyu loka. It's not about Twalutimi court, it's about Rocho Paju kido in la tela ikar mo karanga you no pe ngi lock ene anami rawochu. It's all about the impact you gonna leave, the impact you gonna leave. But wakan kadung dirma ke yiri kay bi akhi office impact ngoma in bor ko teach kadung dirma ke yiri impact ngoma bor ko teach ene gima pira tek ti ke kwani me creating impact, positive impact. Boss me go team alogo man pilobana ke pe kana lo ba me dugum nya chuwe ko mu marat